morning, students. Now in the previous period we discussed about the elevation of boiling points and the depression of freezing points. These are the colligative properties. Now the next colligative property is osmotic pressures. So before we discuss the osmotic pressure, first of all we discuss the osmosis. So osmosis, it is defined as, first of all, this osmosis term was discovered by, it was studied by Abbe Nolade. Abbe Nolade is a French chemist in 1763. Okay, and osmosis word in Greek, it is osmosis. In Greek it say that to push. Greek word में उसको कहा जाता है push. Okay, so it is defined as, is a very simple concept, universal. It is defined as a spontaneous unidirectional flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Now listen here. Here we take one of the container. It will be differentiate or it bifurcates with the help of a semi-permeable membrane. This is a semi-permeable membrane. It having some pores, and you know semi यानी half, perme यानी permit करना. So this membrane is only applicable to permit a solvent particle, not to permit solute. Is it clear the terms? And therefore, okay, in one of these compartments, here we take a pure water. This is a pure water, okay, and in another compartment to take the, here in another compartment, that is 20% NaCl solution. Listen carefully. And they are bifurcated with the help of semi-permeable membrane. अभी ये pure water means it having only solvent, not a solute. But here 20% NaCl solution means the 20 gram NaCl in 80 gram water. So definitely here salt, understood. So this membrane, ये जो semi permeable membrane है, is only applicable to permit solvent, not to permit solute. Is it clear? So in the osmosis process, it is a spontaneous मतलब continuous, okay, spontaneous unidirectional flow from the high concentration to low concentration. हम इसको compartment A लिखेंगे. This is compartment B. So here it is the flow of solvent from compartment A to compartment B, that is from pure water to the salty water. Again I repeat, it is defined as a spontaneous unidirectional flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration is called as osmosis. So here we write definition of osmosis. Osmosis it is defined as a spontaneous unidirectional flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, is called as osmosis. Meaning will be clear. It's called as osmosis. Understood? So in this case, here semi-permeable membrane जो है, it's just like filter paper, or it's like a parchment membrane, or it's a muslin cloth, like that it is. So this membrane is only applicable to permit the solvent, not to permit solute. Is it clear? Hence, here it is the flow of water from compartment A to compartment B, because compartment A is high concentration of solvent, here high concentration of solvent, and here low concentration of solvent. Is it clear? And this process is a spontaneous, मतलब ये कंटिन्यू चलते रहेगा. So this pure water will be passed through a semi-permeable membrane into a salty solution. Now, then what is the meaning of osmotic pressure? अभी नाम से पता चलेगा. Osmotic pressure. So when some external pressure is applied, on the osmosis process, again I repeat it, it is defined as some external pressure is applied on the process of osmosis to stop the flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration, is called as osmotic pressure. It's called as osmotic pressure. So here we have to write the definition of the osmotic pressure. ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर की डेफिनेशन इधर लिखता हूं मैं. ऑस्मोटिक pressure, it is defined as some external or hydrostatic pressure is applied on the process of osmosis, to stop the flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration, that is to stop the osmosis process is called as osmotic pressure. Understood? Again I repeat it. Listen carefully. This is an osmotic process. It's a natural process and it's a spontaneous. Okay. So in this continuous or the spontaneous process, if we apply some external pressure on the process of osmosis to stop the flow of solvent from high concentration to low concentration, that is to stop the process of osmosis, is called as osmotic pressure. Understood it is? It's called as osmotic pressure. Any difficulty will be there? Any difficulty will be there? So this is a simple phenomenon of this osmosis and the osmotic pressure. Okay, so please note down this.